Sir, clarification lang. Sinabi niyo script nila yon. Kanino po?
Kung nag-ano siya, nag-affidavit siya do'n. Tapos, well, actually, sa totoo lang, kaya ako nasabing script yan. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi nga, during the time of our investigation, yung kay Colonel Andulan, yung sa issue nung namatay si Cesar Perez, na kung saan si Colonel Andulan, siyang humuli kay Councilor Norbin Tamisin ng Los Baños, Laguna. And I am very particular of that issue. And then suddenly, yung CCTV lumabas. Nakita natin na wala naman si Norbin Tamisin doon. And sniper yung tumira kay Mayor Cesar Perez. Si Colonel Andulan from Batangas, siyang humuli kay Norbin Tamisin. So, when I was asking the Colonel Andulan about ano yung relationship mo kay Gerald Bato, sinabi niya na na-assign siya doon sa PNPA. At doon sa PNPA, during that time, yung anak ni Gerald Bato was in school, first year as plebo. So, yun ang sinabi ko, yun ang relasyon mo. And then suddenly, yung issue. Binanata na niya ako, and ako, nag-simmer down ako noon. Hindi naman ako masyado sumagot. Sabi ko kasi, hindi naman ako, kasi siya nga yung nag-mention ng babysitter, nagbe-babysit daw yung anak ko, ganun-ganon. Pero yung anak niya, hindi niya hayaan mag-babysit. And of course, ako, nasaktan ako doon. Kaya sabi ko, wala akong minimension na nagbe-babysit yung anak mo. I don't want to demean the position of the men in uniform. But sa kanya mismo, sabi ko, wag sanang ganon. Tapos hindi na ako masyadong sumagot doon. Sabi ko, pag nagkausap kami ni Gerald Bato, magkakausap kami ng maayos. But unfortunately, ito yung lumabas. Diba? Si Grijaldo, lumabas doon, may affidavit. Hindi naman siya yung pinag-uusapan natin dito sa Quadcom. Then suddenly, siya yung naging focal person doon sa kanila. So, I think there is a correlation about this.
Sir, clarification po ulit. Are you saying it's a script of Colonel Grijaldo and Senator Bato?
Yes, parang yun ang kanilang narration sa mga pangyayari dito. At dinala nila sa Senado si Grijaldo. Sabi nga na isang press sa akin kanina, sino ba yung Grijaldo? Sabi ko, yan yung kaibigan ni Garma na isinama niya dun sa meeting namin na kung saan nabago na yung narration ni Colonel Garma nang dumating si Colonel Grijaldo. And that, I think we have to investigate why si Colonel Grijaldo na dumating sa meeting namin with Chairman Ace Barbers, hindi na niya na-reveal yung katotohanan. And then, yun na nga, doon na nag-boils down yun, imbisigahan na namin si Chairman Garma, si GM Garma.
Sir, sorry, yung sa statement lang po ni former President Duterte about subornation of perjury, ano pong masasabi nyo doon na he even said na magfa-file siya ng case about this?
Well, ako, carry on. We will take action on that. Kung magpapile sila sa amin, then yun ang mga repercussion of the things that we are doing for the Quadcom and for the Filipino people. And if this is the way that we need to act on certain things that happen, then we will confront the issue.
Opo. Sir, sabi po ninyo, the Quadcom will not take this sitting down. May legal action po ba kayong binabalak? And kung meron po, sino po yung kakasuhan nyo and ano pong kaso?
So we haven't talked about it yet, no? But ako, sa akin, kami ni Chair, actually ngayon lang kami nagkita ni Chairman Abante. But of course, parang hindi naman tama kung we will take this sitting down, no? We need to ferret out the deeper reason why this happened, that somebody will take his oath doon sa Senado and telling lies against the Quadcom. Hindi naman ako lamang ang tinira dito, but the whole of the committee. And it is incumbent upon the leadership of the Quadcom and the House as well to take action on this. Because I think he is under preventive suspension. If I'm not mistaken, because involved siya dun sa pagkamatay ni Barayuga, he is under preventive suspension. Kung he is under preventive suspension, somehow you can relate that he's doing this because yun na nga, trying to get even with us. So, sana wag sa ganun. Wag sa ganun pamamaraan. We are all, Well, I believe that we are in the democratic way of our government and okay lang yan. Basta harapin na lang namin yan kung ano mangyayari. And we will talk about it.